Hello friends, welcome back to Let's Grow Up. In this video, I am going to share with you LHB coach earthing device. If you want to learn the importance of earthing device or why need earthing device in LHB coach, so this video is not related with this content. In this video, I am sharing its parts, the device parts, which is very important. So the final video will coming soon. Till then, I think it is very important to learn about its parts. That's why today I am back with this topic. So it is very clear and transparent, the LHB coach earthing device structure or its wire connection. One wire is connected with the coach. Here you can see the wire is connected with the coach and then connected with the bogie frame. It is the bogie frame, and from the bogie again connected with this device. So here you can see the main device is attached with this axle box. So here some important content like how does LHB bogie work, or its primary suspension and its bogie frame components. All these component related video already in my channel. If you watching first time this video, so I request to you, please watch or check out the description box or check out Relay Engineering. So now let's see its inside parts. I am trying to develop the detailed model so that you will get the proper idea. Here now you can see the device, how the wire connected with this device. So this is the carbon brass holder. So here you can see the carbon brass. Okay, this is the carbon brass which is connected with the axle. I will share the axle part also. At first you have to see this device part, and the copper color you can see the carbon brass holder. Okay, and here clip will be attached with this holder. Okay, and next I will share, and you can see the holder is attached with this housing box. Now I will share the other part also. Now you can see it by the transparent or wireframe mode. This portion, this part, you can see this, mainly this color you can see the copper area. The another device is connected with the bolt with this axle box. Okay, so this is the axle. You can see this is the axle, right? Sorry. So this is the axle and the brass is connected. Okay, this is the axle and the model you can see. I am trying to share with you the model. Yeah, right, this type of design. So definitely I will share a video related with this device installation system step by step. So if you want to learn the device installation process, you can share your comment. Okay, so step by step. Okay, so you can see it, the carbon brass attached with this carbon brass. This is the carbon brass which is attached with the copper part. Here you can see the copper and the holder also copper. Okay, so it is the structure of the earthing device in LHB coach or bogie. Okay, and also there is a resistor, but it is missing now. So I am making and developing the model So today I am sharing this part also. If you think this model or this video is really good, or it is really transparent, good for the learning part, so you can share your comment. Okay, I will back another topic. Till then, take care. Tata, bye.